Hi guys, welcome back to another super fast tutorial. Today I will show you how to change the color of objects in Premiere Pro. Select your video. Go to Effects and search for Change to Color and drag it into your video. Then go to Effect Control under Change to Color. Click the small dropper icon next to From. Go to your preview screen and click on the color you want to replace. Now click on the white color box. Then select the color you want your object to be. Now scroll down and adjust the hue under tolerance until the color change is perfect. Now you have finally completely changed the color of your object. Also, you can change the colors again by clicking on the second color box and selecting the color you want. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.